Well, red cells also have the ability to stack one on top of the other. So, red cells will also do this. Okay? When they stack like this, that's called rouleau. Now, when they stack like this, they're going to settle out faster than if they're like this. Now, why is that? Because you have changed the mass to surface ratio. In other words, say these four cells out here like this, their surface is their total surface of each one, isn't it? Well, what's the total surface area of those four if stacked like this? It's only around the perimeter, isn't it? You're not including this because that's not exposed to surface, is it? But have you changed the mass of the red cells, assuming these came from the same blood sample? No. So the mass to surface ratio increases in this condition, doesn't it? And it will let the red cells settle out faster because they stack up in a column. They settle faster. So you can use this test as part of the information that helps you in, say, diagnosing something. Say you had a person with rheumatoid arthritis. Well, this is an inflammatory condition, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it an infection?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's an inflammatory response. In those cases, those red cells are going to settle out faster in active rheumatoid arthritis. Let's say you had a patient with, excuse me, a connective tissue disease that's characterized by inflammation, like systemic lupus erythematosus. The sedimentation rate is going to be greater than normal. But let's say that you treated this person with steroids to reduce the inflammation, and they got better. They felt better. So you're monitoring their course, you do a SED rate, and you see that the SED rate has come down. You got a lower number than you started out with. So it confirms the clinical progress. You know, just gives you some information about clinical progress. So what are the normals for sedimentation rate? Well, if you take just the adult across the board, it's going to be something like 15 to 30 millimeters per hour for males, and maybe something like 20 to 42 millimeters per hour for females. If you go on an age index, by the way, our sedimentation rate tends to increase with age. So for males, you would put age over 2 in millimeters per hour. Females, age plus 10 over 2 in millimeters per hour. Okay, so sedimentation rate is just one of the tests that you can do on blood. It's probably an older method and probably not used as much as some of the more current methods like C-RIN